Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok. You can follow the steps that I'm going to say in this video. So first you have to open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into if you have not already done so. And we could see we just landed on our TikTok and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. And on the video creation screen, you should see a live option next to the record. On the bottom, we have to scroll a bit. There's a templates and live in the third option. And you could also write a title for your live stream and add relevant hashtags to help viewers discover your live stream. Like anything you can write. And you can add topic as well. And there's a red button down there that says go live, and simply you have to tap on that, and that's how you can go live on TikTok. And before going live, you can also set the privacy setting for your live stream. On here, which says setting, it says audience controls, which is only limited to those who aged 18 years and older. So remember to follow TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service when going live, and consider engaging with the viewers to create an interactive and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for upcoming uploads.